G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name's Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount and a fire extinguisher into a Land Rover Discovery 5. So it's super easy. All you need to do is remove 2 front seat bolts and loosen the rear ones on the front passenger seat or the driver's seat. Tilt the seat up, slip the bracket in, bolt it in. 5-minute job. Let's go do it. The tools required to install the bracket is an E12 Torx bit. E12, that's for these heads here, these bolt heads. And 2 8mm spanners. So you just need a ratchet and extension bar. The procedure is very easy. As you can see, I've already bolted this one in, but you simply remove these little plastic covers. You just slide them forwards. They slip forwards. Then, using your E12 Torx bit, remove that seat bolt all the way on both 2 front bolts. Then go to the back, move the chair all the way forward first, and go to the back of the chair and just loosen them about 5mm. That will give you the ability to pivot the seat up. Then you slip the bracket underneath and the bolt all slips back in. Super easy. I'm not going to show you because it's already all in on this one. As you can see, bolts up, really easy. Now what we're going to do is install the extinguisher onto the front of the bracket. The next procedure is to bolt your extinguisher cage onto the bracket. And the bracket comes with the M5 high tensile nuts, bolts and washers. But just a note, always make sure you're using a metal caged extinguisher. Don't use a plastic one, put them in the kitchen. Metal cage ones are for the vehicle. So let's install this one. Washer on the back and then the nut on the front. Then with your 8mm spanners, just tighten up those bolts. After you've tightened up those bolts, then simply slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip it all up. Job done. After you've tightened all these up, just then go back and tighten up all of your seat bolts. And don't forget to move the chair forward and do up the back ones. As you can see, the seat still has clearance to the extinguisher. Next step, push the seat back again and put those covers back on. Might take a little bit of messing around, but with some persistence and some patience, you'll be able to get them back on. There we go. This one, there it goes. Extinguisher back in. I like to roll the extinguisher around so that the gauge is up. Clip it all up. This little pin back in there if you bought our one. And a little thing, these can sometimes be a bit annoying with that rattling. So a little bit of electrical tape just on there stops that rattling. But as you can see, it's in, it looks great, job done. Well, as you can see, the fire extinguisher now is installed into this Discovery 5. Bolted in, looks great, nice and secure, not interfering, it doesn't interfere with the seat movement or not bothersome for the passenger seat. However, as we mentioned earlier, this can be installed on the driver's side as well. Or better yet, get 2, install it on both sides. There you go, thank you for watching that little video. I know we didn't go into all the details, but it's pretty simple to do. And if you'd like to grab one, please hit the link below. Search for all the other vehicle brackets that we've got as well. Thank you so much.